Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this package for the Caseborne Slim series for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I have my dummy phone right here of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and you can see how this actually fits to size perfectly. It's clear, super clear right here on the back, and you can see that fits perfectly. As I was saying before, you have the buttons right here and the cutted holes right here for the stylus, the microphone speaker, and the USB-C port. And it's kind of like have a really nice grip right here on the side, as you can see. But as I was saying before, this is a really good one, clear one. And the good thing about this one is that the lenses are going to be protected because they're kind of like inside of the actual case. The case actually comes with two replacements for the protective film right here, which is tempered glass that you can put on your phone, which is super great. It comes with the wipes and a really nice brochures for sure that you can actually take a read. But the best thing about this one is the magnet right here. As you can see, you can have that. You can have a portable magnet charger right here, or you can have this in one of those like car holders that have magnets. So that's a really good thing. It's a very strong magnet. As you can see right here, I'm shaking, it's not moving. So that's really good. I think the magnet is super convenient. But the case looks good. It's super clear, as I was saying before. It's durable, it's thick, and it's perfect to size on the cutting holes right here, the buttons, and the actual phone. Again, this is a dummy phone for the S24 Ultra. Fits really good. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.